Hello everyone, welcome to When People Mess with the Wrong Cops, where split-second decisions turn into instant karma. In this video, you'll witness real dashcam moments that prove one bad choice can change everything in the blink of an eye.
Hey, what's the problem? Let me see
Police arrived after receiving an emergency call about a suspect threatening to blow up a house and shoot people. When officers approached, the suspect refused to cooperate and even attempted to attack them, escalating the situation. And for those who defy the law, there is only one ending.
Stop! 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 Shots fired! Shots fired!
What seemed like a simple family dispute quickly escalated into a violent attack in Niagara Falls. Police responded after receiving information that a known sexual offender was near the victim. The situation became critical when the suspect suddenly charged at the officers, forcing them to use force. Officer Stacy Wright pulled over a man for speeding. When asked to comply, he resisted and attacked the officer. The struggle drew the attention of passersby who quickly stepped in to help the female officer. The law does not fight alone.
Step over here now. Have a seat on the ground. Have a seat.
I'm not sick. I'm not sick!
Back off! Back off!
I'm not sick, motherfucker!
We're getting physical. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not...
I will tase you, sir. Touch the vehicle. Put your hands on the fucking vehicle now!
What the fuck?
Fucking ground!
Knock it off, man! Knock it off now! Get your arm behind us!
Put your arm back! Okay, you get
Shut up!
Stand up. Walk back to my car.
So the reason you guys are being detained is because when we drove up, your head was down, and typically when they see that someone in the car, someone's probably overdosed.
No one could have predicted that a routine patrol would escalate this intensely. Police suspected that the people in the vehicle were under the influence of drugs. While officers were checking the two passengers in the back, the driver suddenly tried to flee by reversing the vehicle, throwing the situation into chaos. Resisting the law only makes things worse.
I'm assuming you use this with that. Okay, so meth? What else? Do you have meth? Officer Lopez, do you trust that he will stay here? Yeah. Okay. Can you just take a seat for now? And then once I get everyone out, we'll make adjustments, okay?
21, start for 95 male at head injury.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Can you stand up? You're not under arrest or anything, okay? Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
Alright, hands behind your back. You notice your fingers? Right here. Show your feet. So no drugs, no needles, no nothing like that, right? I just don't want to get poked. I'm not saying you have anything, I just want to make sure. Sometimes people have surprised me, and they surprise themselves because they don't even remember. What? How?
Someone just kind of left us behind.
Yeah.
586, 69, less than 8.
Hey! Stop the car! Stop! 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 Stop!
44802, shot fired.
Hey, get out! Get out! Get out! Go! Go! Get out! Hey! Stop the car! Stop! Stop! Stop!
44802, shot fired.
44802, hey, get out! Get out! Get out! Go! Go! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Ma'am, I'm not going to ask you again. Okay, well, I'm a police
After being pulled over, the woman immediately rolled up her windows and ignored all commands despite repeated requests. When all attempts to persuade her failed, officers were forced to smash the window to remove and arrest her. Refusing to cooperate only makes the consequences more severe.
I need your driver's license proof of insurance, ma'am. I need your driver's license proof of insurance, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm going to break your window, and I'm going to pull you out of the vehicle, and I don't want to do that. Open the door, ma'am. You are under arrest for obstruction of justice. Open the door. Thank you. You're under arrest, ma'am. You need to step out of the vehicle. You need to step out of the vehicle immediately, ma'am. You're under arrest. Ma'am?
Please don't hurt me.
You're under arrest, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle.
Just get off the word.
You're under arrest, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. You're under arrest, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. I gave you multiple warnings, and you did not comply with my orders. So why would you invite it to you? Okay, well, your dad can see you in handcuffs in the backseat of my car. Put it.
A man armed with a knife put the Hamner area on 6th Street on high alert. When police arrived and ordered him to drop the weapon, he ignored them and attempted to attack the officers. Confronting law enforcement with a weapon is never a smart choice.
Get out. He said he pulled me over for a traffic stop and he's going to tase me. You can't do that, officer.
A traffic stop in Collegedale quickly became tense when driver Delane Gordon repeatedly refused to show his documents, argued with officers, and demanded to see a supervisor. Despite being asked 5 times to provide his paperwork and 13 times to exit the vehicle, Gordon stubbornly refused. After finally saying no, Officer Evan Driscoll was forced to use a taser to subdue him.
It's not lawful.
What's going on, man? Pretty good. I'm Officer Driscoll, Collegedale Police Department. We're in your stops whenever you were coming down Talent Road. I got you at 49 and 35. Yes, sir. Do what? I was asking so what I got you at was 49. You got your driver's license, your insurance card, and your registration on you? You have proof that you got me going on? I got you by radar, man. I'll tell my wow. Get out of the car. You can't do that for a traffic stop, sir. 623, start me. Get out of the car, man. Please don't touch me, sir. I'm telling you to get out of the car. All right, well, that will turn my video on. I'm going to tase you. Get the hell out of the car. Sir, this is a traffic stop. Please don't hurt me, sir. I'm a good kid. Stop. Get out of the vehicle. I'm recording you. This is a traffic stop. I will tase you. Get out. Traffic stop. Get out. I'm telling you, get out. I'm telling you that this is not lawful. Oh my God. Get out. Lawful. Get out. That's not lawful. Get out. Get on the ground. That's not lawful. Get on the ground and you're gonna tase again. Okay, but I have my license. Get on the ground. That's not lawful. Get on the ground. Please help. Get on the ground. I'm on the ground, but that's not lawful, sir. I have my license on. Put your hands behind your back. Please stop. Help. I had a right to ask for a supervisor because you. That's not right, sir. I have my license in my hand. Stand up. One probe on the side. I don't see the other one. All right, let me go off the supervisor. Yes, sir. We'll talk to you in just a minute. Let's get this thing cleared up. See it? Oh, right here.
Police received a report about a man under the influence of illegal substances and armed, planning to attack a family member. As officers were preparing to approach in teams, the suspect suddenly rushed out and slashed at them with a knife, making the situation extremely serious. Officers were forced to use force. Attacking police pushes you straight into a dead end.
Sorry, I didn't get your information. What's your name? What's your name?
Police approached a woman after receiving a report, but instead of cooperating, she continuously resisted and argued for a long time. The standoff dragged on until officers were forced to restrain and arrest her. When police moved in, she fought back and attacked them, escalating the situation. And those who defied the law all faced the same ending.
Why do I have to not worry that my own son is going to go through a psychological, traumatic, psychotic breakdown? Why would I not think that my own son could got you to court and never be like that or harm you like that in your life? I'm going to talk to you. You want me to stop talking to you? You want me to stop talking? Because everybody who knows me from the fabric of existence knows if I stop talking, somebody's going to get hurt. If you put your hands on me, I'm going to break your jaw. Are you prepared to shoot me if I know her?
Just trying to help you.
Corner to send me to your mom's house in a box. Because I can open this up now and show you how to use that gun, stupid.
Didn't get far.
There's no guns in there. Dead bodies in there.
Stop kicking! Get down to the ground! Put your hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back! Stop kicking! Stop resisting! Put your hands behind your back!
You're gonna break my arm.
Stop resisting!
You're gonna make me George Floyd. Oh, man, breathe. My bone cancer will probably have my lungs. Stop. I'm dehydrated. Stop it. Keep listen. Go ahead. They did this to me already. I'm over them. Stop. Get these f***ing cuffs off of me and get my f***ing property right now.
Okay, first of all, you're not going to threaten me?
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, this isn't a threat. I've been abused to my core.
Los Angeles police responded to a report of a deadly weapon assault. The suspect was believed to be armed with a handgun and attempted to escape on a skateboard. While fleeing, the suspect pointed the gun at officers, forcing them to return fire. Resisting and attacking the police only leads to an ending no one can save you from.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Spread your fucking feet! Spread your feet!
Stay still on the ground!
Causing chaos in public never ends well. This college student's act of theft was truly disgraceful. The item stolen was only a remote-controlled car. Police suddenly appeared and subdued him. Running from the law only leaves you worse off, just like this man. A tense police chase unfolded as a truck repeatedly crashed into vehicles, throwing traffic into chaos. But no matter how hard he tried to escape, he couldn't outrun the police. He will soon regret his actions. The law is gentle until you cross the line. After multiple commands that the man stubbornly ignored, police were forced to use a taser to subdue him. That wraps up our video when people missed with the wrong cops. Dashcam Instant Karma. What moment shocked you the most? Do you think these situations could have ended differently? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's discuss.